Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to erase all data in your Realme phones. So let's get started. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to the channel, then subscribe to the channel and like the video. So let's start. First you have to go to the settings and then scroll down, or you can search additional settings, then scroll down. Here you can see backup and reset option. Click on it. The next page will appears and click on reset phone. Then here you can see in red mark erase all data. Click on it and you can enter your password for erase all data and it will erase your all data. If you like it, hope you like it, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.